This vitamin was proven in a breakthrough study to slow down chronic kidney disease by 44% and to delay dialysis by 10 years or more. Gathering here, I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now, and it's not every day you come across a breakthrough like that I'm going to share with you today. A certain vitamin is now strongly linked to a whopping 44% slower decline in kidney function. Guys, I've personally met kidney disease patients who were able to improve, some even in the advanced stages. And I can't stress enough how much getting the correct vitamins every day made a difference for them. This is why today I want to share with you what the best vitamin superfoods are when it comes to slowing down kidney disease and consequently avoiding dialysis. All these foods are incredibly rich in vitamins and nutrients and are a must for kidney patients in all the stages. And while I always encourage you to find and use a good renal multivitamin, there is solid research to prove that higher natural vitamin intake from foods is superior in terms of kidney benefits than what you get from pills. Now the question is, what foods are the best sources of vitamins in a renal diet? Sunflower seeds. Most people consider this food just a simple snack, but you won't underestimate sunflower seeds anymore after learning about its kidney benefits. Studies are linking this small seed to lowered blood pressure and lowered inflammation in the body. Both these benefits are crucial when it comes to fighting kidney disease. And while seeds in general are a bit high in phosphorus, this is not the type of phosphorus you should worry about. Adding seeds to a renal diet is indeed considered good for you because they are a great source of essential fats. And I absolutely love sprinkling sunflower seeds on top of my salads or on my breakfast oatmeal, especially because they are probably one of the best sources of a vitamin you really want more in your diet. What vitamin are you going to get from this food? Vitamin E. This vitamin is key if you want to avoid dialysis. A very recent study linked increased vitamin E intake, but only from foods, to reduce markers of oxidative stress, decrease in proteinuria, the most important marker of kidney damage, reduction in cardiovascular disease, the #1 cause of death. Amazing, especially if you consider that you can get these benefits by just adding some seeds to your salad. Just 1 ounce of sunflower seeds contains up to the 66% of your DV for vitamin E. And that's really a lot. And also a good reason to add this food to your diet. Our next superfood is even better because it fills a very common nutritional deficiency linked to vascular calcification and increased risk of death. Number 6 is natto. Have you ever heard about this food? Natto is a Japanese delicacy, a dish made from fermented soybeans. Now the incredible part! This food is so healthy, many people believe is the true source of Japanese people's longer average lifespans and lower chronic disease rates. Yes, natto is really high in many nutrients that promote kidney health, and it's also a probiotic food. Natto is also the only source of nattokinase, an enzyme that lowers blood pressure and dissolves blood clots. People with high blood pressure were able to lower their blood pressure by 3 to 5.5 millimeters of mercury just by supplementing this enzyme. Natto may be not the easiest food to find, but many Japanese or Asian specialty market carry it. Also, since this is a packaged food, you can buy it on Amazon. Now, there is another way in which this food is unique. Natto is the only good plant-based source of a vitamin people with kidney problems really need. What vitamin are you going to get from this food? Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is incredibly useful for your kidney health. An increased intake of this nutrient can prevent cardiovascular related death in people with kidney problems. Vitamin K2 is considered a must, especially for those already supplementing vitamin D. You see, vitamin K2 is key for the metabolisms of calcium. Having enough vitamin K2 in the diet means that more calcium is deposited in the bones and less in your heart and kidneys. According to many experts, this could lead to a serious improvement in kidney health. And just 1 tablespoon of natto contains 150 micrograms of vitamin K2, about twice the recommended intake. This makes natto the only good source of vitamin K2 actually suitable for a renal diet. What can be even better? Our next superfood is a source of a nutrient that many kidney disease patients are deficient in. Correcting this deficiency has been associated to both to a rapid increase in GFR and also to a whopping 13% decrease in creatinine levels that was obtained in just 6 weeks. Number 5 is Brazil nuts. I love this. Brazil nuts are a great tasting snack and they are also healthy. Science considers this tasty snack a true healing food. Thanks to its incredible nutritional profile, this nut can help fight high cholesterol, can lower blood sugar levels, and lower inflammation in the body. These amazing benefits are mainly due to a nutrient found almost only in them. Selenium. Okay, technically selenium is an essential mineral, not a vitamin, but it's really interesting for us nonetheless. Researchers were able to prove a link between low serum levels of this essential mineral and impaired renal function. And they not only were able to prove this to be true, they are also telling us that the way this key mineral will improve kidney function is by directly lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. Now the best part, you only need to eat 1 or 2 of these healthy nuts per day to get these incredible benefits. Brazil nuts are incredibly rich in selenium. There's almost more selenium in one of these than in one of these. Okay, time to see our top 3 for today. Let's see now how to solve one of the most dangerous deficiencies people following a plant-based diet are going to face. The next food is not just the best non-animal source of a vitamin many people are deficient in, it's also a non-dairy cheese substitute. Number 3, nutritional yeast. Here's a delicious superfood you will absolutely want to try. Nutritional yeast is the activated yeast grown specifically to be used as a food product. Studies have shown it has a wide range of health benefits ranging from lowering cholesterol to protecting the kidneys from free radical damage. The interesting part, it tastes like cheese. It has a strong, nutty and cheesy flavor and you can mix it with flour, spices and water to make a cheese spread. Or you can sprinkle it on pasta, soups, even popcorns to make them taste better. Question: what vitamin are you going to get from this food? Vitamin B12. The main reason why nutritional yeast is interesting for us is its content of vitamin B12. No plant food contains this essential nutrient. So, you should not be surprised in learning that up to 80 to 90% of people following plant-based diets are deficient in vitamin B12. This is not something we should underestimate. Vitamin B12 deficiency is linked to fatigue, anemia, and faster progression of kidney disease. Yes, correcting this common deficiency can make you feel more energized and can help your kidney health. Okay guys, time for our number 2. This is the best source in nature of the vitamin your kidneys need the most. Number 2, shiitake mushrooms. Yes, these mushrooms are the best plant-based source of a vitamin almost every single kidney disease patient is deficient in, vitamin D. Even more common than vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency is actually linked to proteinuria, a serious marker of kidney damage. Excluding fortified foods, mushrooms are actually the only good plant source of vitamin D. Unfortunately, most mushrooms are too rich in potassium and not everyone can have them. Shiitake mushrooms are the healthy exception, a great way to get as near as possible to your recommended daily intake for vitamin D. The problem with this vitamin is that it's extremely difficult to get enough of it in a plant-based diet. Now guys, vitamin D is routinely prescribed to kidney disease patients because it is a serious tool in slowing down kidney disease and in fighting proteinuria. Unfortunately, there aren't many multivitamins made with the needs of kidney disease patients in mind. This is why on my website newhopeforkidneypatients.com you can now find the only multivitamin supplement made from a kidney patient for kidney disease patients. This is Renal D+. Robert, the owner of this brand, is a kidney disease patient and an internationally known kidney health expert. He has helped thousands of people taking better care of their kidneys thanks to products like this one. Check video description for info. Okay, time for our number one now. This is a food incredibly rich in the vitamin that has been linked to a 44% slower decline in kidney function. And we can get this vitamin from number one, turnip greens. Even though the starchy white root of the Brassica rapa plant tends to be more popular, the green leaves of turnips are actually where most of the nutrients are found. This superfood is so rich in antioxidants, it can actually help managing the complications of diabetes and kidney disease. Turnip greens are also one of the best sources in existence of a vitamin that's recently been linked to a significantly slower decline in kidney function. This is folate or vitamin B9. This vitamin was studied on more than 15,000 CKD patients for more than 4 years. This vitamin resulted in a significant reduction in the risks of a significant decline in kidney function during the test period, a significant reduction for the risk of death, and a very significant reduction for the risk of dialysis. And while turnip greens are incredibly healthy, you may want to consider getting informed about vitamin supplements to get all the folate and the other vitamins you need. In this video up here, I've shown you exactly how to put together for very cheap the best multivitamin possible. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.